How's it going? My name is Jacob Rothenberg with eXp Realty, and I'll be showing you a unit at Veer Towers, listed at $989,000, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Absolutely amazing location, adjacent to Aria, in walking distance to Vidara, the Cosmopolitan, smack dab in the center of the strip. So let's check it out. So this is unit 1706, 1,385 square feet, corner unit on the 17th floor, and look at this view. Absolutely breathtaking. Let's take a close up to see exactly what we have a view of. So we have Park MGM, New York, New York, the MGM Grand, and we are adjacent to Aria in a location known as City Center in Las Vegas. Now this resident happens to be a big Elvis fan, so we've got some beautiful music playing. And as you can note here, we have a lot of living space in the living area. So if you want to set up furniture, having a dining set here, you've got plenty of space for that, along with perhaps a work desk. And there's just so much space in this corner unit with a fantastic view of the strip. And mind you, you are literally in the center of the strip, walking minutes away from the Bellagio, from the Cosmopolitan, from Aria, and you have the whole strip to your bidding. So taking a look at the kitchen, we've got the electric stovetop, undermount stainless steel sink, and stainless steel appliances. So the Bosch dishwasher, stove, microwave, and refrigerator. Plenty of closet space with the frosted glass. And overall, a lovely home with 12 by 12 floor tiling, closets galore, plenty of space for all of your needs and necessities. We do have here washer dryer, and let's take a look first at one of the bathrooms. So here we have the Toto lavatory, along with the water closet. And check out this, the shower with the necessity of having the wand. You need to have the wand. And you've got a little resting area here. Enough space to stock all your towels, your hygienic products. This pretty much has it all. Now we're entering one of the first of 2 master bedrooms. Welcome to Las Vegas. And as you can clearly see, you have one of the best views on the entire strip. Imagine waking up to that. So, this is going to be listed currently at $985,000. It's been on the market for approximately 20 days. However, don't expect it to stay on for too long. Let's take a look at the second master bedroom. Wow. So this is actually facing literally right in front of Aria. If you want to do some people sighting and whatnot, it could be possible here. It's just absolutely an amazing view. Just imagine walking downstairs, leaving the lobby, and walking literally 2 minutes into the Aria. If the nightlife is your thing, if you want to celebrate and have fun with your friends and family, this is the place to live in Vegas. So unique to this bedroom is that the bathroom has a little bit different of a setup. So we do have a traditional bathtub here, unpartitioned away from the bedroom, which can make for a romantic night with you and your loved one. Shower. And of course, we have plenty of closet space for you. Let's walk in here. Now in this bathroom, we have the dual lavatory setup with your Toto and Decolav fixtures. So that's pretty much all we have to show here. If it has been your dream to live on the Strip and really have just the best location in terms of logistics, with hanging out, meeting your friends, just going to attractions all over the Strip. Firsthand, I do live here myself, so I can personally vouch that this is the best location if you want to be in the center of action. And what I'm going to do for you is, if you're interested in this unit, or possibly just interested overall in buying a house in Vegas, check out the link below in the description of this video. It's just a form you can fill out in 1 minute, and I'll give you a call once the details are filled, and let's get talking about you moving into Vegas and living an awesome Las Vegas life. And after this, I'm just going to do a formal presentation for you on this unit. Take care.